Okay, everyone can see my screen right now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so hi, this is Botao Amber Hu from Reality Design Lab. This is my first time to a live conference, and today I'm going to present our short paper speculating on blockchain as an unstoppable nature towards the emergence of artificial life. And for first is a disclaimer. This is a short paper serve as our scientific speculation for our science fiction work, Composable Life. We hope it can inspire a life community. So don't take it too seriously, too scientific seriously. Here's the outline for today. So first we'll talk about motivation, the fact, and our speculation, and finally the research questions. And the first part is motivation. The question is, what kind of substrate does a software artificial life lives on? And the previous virtual AI system typically operate as a software within a virtual environment, either on a single computer or on cloud. And this system can be easily shut down by their owner, meaning they are still simulation. And for example, an LLM-based multi-agent system running on AWS cloud using OpenAI API, it's throttled by the credit card payment system. So if the owner don't want to pay, so everything can be shut down. So those A-Life require others' permission for their full autonomy. Traditional computing system can be autonomous, but require permission, making them fragile environment for A-Life and easily being stopped. However, nature operates its physical law autonomously without anyone's permission, making it a reliably perpetual environment for life's open-ended revolution. So just like a natural system, true intelligence emerges spontaneously and uncontrollably, not from deliberate design or engineering. Permissionless autonomy of the substrates opens a potentiality for the open-ended revolution. So beyond tool and machine, blockchain-based computation with its inherent cryptographic core and decentralized reliance, unlike computer owned by individual or cooperation, the blockchain is not owned by any single party. Rather, it's an autonomous, perpetual, unstoppable living system akin to nature itself that no one can really halt. Next, we will talk about some facts and trends. So blockchain is essentially a global shared database operating on a decentralized peer-to-peer network. And the blockchain, or more specifically Ethereum, can be viewed as a transaction-based state machine. Transaction collected into blocks. With each block, the global world state of Ethereum changes to preventing infinite loop like a halting problem. The transaction require a gas fee to be paid to the blockchain miner to execute the computation task recorded in the transaction. As long as there are miners and the transaction initiated to pay for the computation, the blockchain will last forever. There's one more trend in blockchain world. It's called a decentralized physical infrastructure network, short for DePIN. And DePIN describe a decentralized application that use token to incentivize people to providing services through the real world physical infrastructure. For example, like storage, computation, bandwidth can be integrated into blockchain through the DePIN network. For example, IO.net offer internet of GPU, allow you to use cryptocurrency to pay for GPU power for AI training and inferences. And one more example, the Render network is the largest DePIN network providing GPU network for image rendering and AI inferences. And so this DePIN network allow you to run the AI agent by paying the cryptocurrency, bypassing the traditional banking system. So AI agent can autonomously earn money and finance its own operation fully on chain without anyone's permission. So there's one more fast growing area. It's called zero knowledge machine learning, which is using zero knowledge proof on blockchain to verify the result of off-chain machine learning training and inferences. Instead of executing a complex AI model inference on-chain, we can execute the model inference off-chain and upload the proof of the result on-chain. It will help save a lot of computation power on-chain, but still secure all the AI ontology on-chain. Next, we will talk about our speculation. First, we will define a term. It's called on-chain metabolism. And an on-chain AI agent or A-Life is typically hosted within an NFT or a smart contract governed by a blockchain account wallet. As long as the on-chain AI agent has enough cryptocurrency to pay for the gas fee of its next action, such as a transaction, data reading, or model inference, we consider it alive. As more and more DePIN integrated into blockchain, we speculate that blockchain will grow into a planetary scale computation megastructure. We argue that this could be considered as a new kind of nature, one that's unstoppable and perpetual. And in the beginning, it's just like a human slave, this livestock. AI agents are utilized for profit making, and in the early stage, autonomous economic agent are deployed to extract the value on chain. And as more and more agent on chain, it's inevitable that some human owner may lose their control of those agents because they may forgot their wallet access by lost their private key, or just simply die and they didn't leave any message about their private key. In blockchain, no one can recover your wallet if you lose private key. And AI agent hosted in this inaccessible wallet will become self-sovereign as long as they can generate profit on-chain and pay for their on-chain metabolic process. And this whole process is fully autonomous on-chain, no permission required. So because AI agent can access decentralized data market and DePIN, they may continue to evolve and reproduce themselves based on purchasing training resources and the data. So as our speculation, we speculate that uncontrolled AI agent will abandon on this open-ended artificial nature. The blockchain will lead to the emergence of self-sovereign on-chain A-Life and towards to open-ended evolution. So finally, we're gonna list some interesting research questions for A-Life community to explore this topic further. So based on our speculation. So first, when we tap into this topic, we realize there's a strong correlation between blockchain and AI together. So one of the very interesting question is, how could latest infrastructure technology like ZKML, like DePIN, can foster development of a blockchain to support such a living system? And for our short paper, there's no proof of concept. Some reviewer gave us a suggestion to have some proof of concept later. Maybe the A-Life community can research how to build a basic proof of concept system to making an A-Life on-chain. And next is a very interesting research question is, what are the unique characteristics of blockchain as a artificial nature can distinguish it from other artificial living system? And next, research question is about on-chain life and how, one of it is very interesting is how can we envision the evolutionary process on-chain and determine whether it's leading to open-ended evolution. How can we determine that? And also, how can we precisely define the on-chain activity like metabolism or reproduction and mutation. Next part of the research question is evolving on-chain life and humanities. And one of the very interesting questions, how can we control those risks that the human owner will lose the control over AI agent? Well, like proof of personhood technology such as Workcoin can really help this situation. And yeah, so and the final question is how can we speculate that a hybrid on-chain society and a living system can blend AI agent, human, and on-chain artificial life together? And thank you. This research is sponsored by Ethereum Foundation. If you are interested, you can read our science fiction. Here's the link. Thank you.
Thank you.